Do you want that clean and stylish middle part hairstyle? Whether you're aiming for that cool K-pop vibe or a timeless look, getting the perfect middle part is easier than you think. But the big question remains, how can you pull it off? And what steps do you need to follow to make it look just right? Let's break it down step by step to help you achieve that perfect middle part. The appeal of the middle part hairstyle. So why is the middle part hairstyle so popular? The simple answer is its timeless charm and adaptability. It's a style that can be worn by anyone, regardless of hair type, as long as it's done right. Straight hair? You've got a sleek, polished look. Wavy hair? You're rocking that effortlessly cool vibe. Curly hair? The texture adds a unique dimension to the style. It's a hairstyle that doesn't discriminate. It just needs a little personalization to suit your hair type and face shape. Another great thing about the middle part is its ability to adapt to different occasions. Heading to a formal event? The middle part can look refined and sophisticated when paired with a suit. Going for a casual hangout? It can look relaxed and carefree with a slightly messy or textured finish. This versatility makes the middle part a favorite among those who want a hairstyle that works for any situation. Choosing the best middle part style for you. Did you know that there's more than one way to wear a middle part? That's right, this hairstyle comes in several variations and each has its vibe. Let's explore some of the most popular styles to help you decide which one fits your personality and preferences. The classic middle part is a simple, symmetrical look that lets your hair fall naturally on either side of your face. It's clean, easy to maintain, and works for all hair types. If you're into something more modern, the middle part with an undercut adds an edge by keeping the sides and back short while letting the top flow freely. The messy middle part is perfect for a more relaxed, laid-back look, ideal for weekends or casual outings. For those with longer hair, the curtain haircut is a game changer. It creates a soft, flowing effect that frames your face beautifully. On the other hand, if you want something sharp and trendy, the middle part with a taper fade or a slicked back middle part offers a polished, contemporary style. Choosing the right variation depends on your style, face shape, and how much effort you're willing to put into styling each day. Does face shape really matter? One of the most common questions people have about the middle part hairstyle is whether it works for their face shape. The good news is that the middle part is surprisingly versatile and can suit almost any face shape with a few adjustments. If you have an oval or heart-shaped face, congratulations. You've hit the jackpot. These face shapes naturally balance well with the symmetry of a middle part, making it an easy and flattering choice. For those with round faces, adding height or volume to the top of your hair can help elongate your features and create a more balanced look. Similarly, if you have a square face, softening the edges with texture or a slightly off-center middle part can enhance your overall appearance. Now, if your face isn't perfectly symmetrical, or if you have a cowlick or widow's peak, don't worry. You can still rock a middle part by making small adjustments. An off-center middle part is a great alternative, allowing you to work with your hair's natural growth pattern while still giving the illusion of a balanced look. Growing your hair to the right length. Length is one of the most important factors when it comes to achieving the perfect middle part hairstyle. Ideally, the hair on the top of your head should be about 5 to 6 inches long. This length allows the hair to naturally fall around your face and create the defined part that makes this style so iconic. If your hair is shorter than this, you'll need to grow it out. Growing your hair to the ideal length requires patience and proper care. Hair typically grows about ½ an inch per month, so depending on your starting point, it could take several months to reach your goal. During this time, it's essential to avoid anything that could damage your hair, such as excessive heat styling or harsh chemical treatments. Instead, focus on nurturing your hair with gentle, sulfate-free shampoos, nourishing conditioners, and weekly deep conditioning treatments. For those looking to speed up the process, consider using a hair growth serum or trying a DIY hair oil made with natural ingredients like coconut oil, castor oil, and rosemary oil. These products can help strengthen your hair and encourage faster growth. Remember, patience is key, and taking good care of your hair during this phase will pay off in the long run. The right haircut for a middle part. Once your hair has reached the right length, it's time to get the perfect haircut to lay the foundation for your middle part. The ideal cut depends on the style you're going for. For a classic middle part, Ask your barber or stylist for a scissor cut or layered cut, which adds texture and volume to your hair. Layers are especially useful for creating movement and preventing the middle part from looking too flat or lifeless. If you're interested in a more modern look, such as a taper fade or undercut with a middle part, be sure to communicate this with your stylist. These cuts create contrast and draw attention to the middle part, giving you a sharper, more contemporary vibe. Whatever you choose, make sure the top is long enough to part naturally in the center. Good styling starts with clean, well-prepped hair. To maintain the health and natural texture of your hair, wash it 2 to 3 times a week using a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Washing too often can strip your hair of its natural oils, making it dry and difficult to style. On non-wash days, a little dry shampoo can help keep your hair fresh without overwashing. After washing, gently towel dry your hair to remove excess moisture. Avoid rough drying, as this can cause frizz and disrupt your hair's natural texture. If you have wavy or curly hair, scrunching while drying can help enhance your natural waves, which look amazing with a middle part. Styling the perfect middle part. Styling the middle part can take a little practice, especially if your hair isn't used to this look. Start by finding your natural middle part. Use a comb to draw a line from the front of your hairline to the crown of your head. Your hair will naturally fall into a parting, which may not be perfectly centered, but that's okay. You can gently nudge it closer to the center if needed. If your hair is resistant to staying in place, try styling it while it's damp. Damp hair is easier to mold and will hold the part better as it dries. Use a blow dryer on a low heat setting, directing the airflow along the part to set it in place. For added hold, apply a lightweight styling cream or mousse to your damp hair before drying. For the middle part to truly shine, texture and volume are key. If your hair is naturally straight and fine, it can sometimes look flat. To combat this, use a sea salt spray or texturizing spray before blow drying. These products add grit and movement, making your hair look fuller and more dynamic. If you're aiming for a polished look, a small amount of pomade or hair wax can add shine and definition. For a more natural appearance, stick to a lightweight styling cream or mousse. Remember, less is more when it comes to styling products. Start with a small amount and build up as needed. Achieving the middle part hairstyle is one thing, maintaining it is another. Depending on your hair type, you may need to touch up your part throughout the day. Carrying a small comb or brush can help you keep the part looking fresh. Regular trims are also important. Even though you're growing your hair out, keeping the ends neat will enhance the overall look and prevent split ends from ruining the style. Additionally, avoid overloading your hair with products, as this can make it look greasy or weighed down. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. If you want to know more about the different hairstyle that suits you, then click on the video right here. Thanks for watching till the end.